Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to add lower thirds in your video clip. So at first we need to know what is lower thirds. Lower thirds actually is like a little thing that pops up on the screen and it usually says your name and your title in the beginning of the video. Alright, I already added a sample video clip in timeline. Let's say you want to add lower thirds at the very beginning of this video clip. So to do this, select media and then go to the library tab. And here you see bunch of different options. And one of them is motion graphic lower thirds. Just expand this. And here you see few different lower thirds are available in this Camtasia Studio software. You can use any of them. Let's say this time I use this lower third template. To add this in this video clip, simply click and drag and drop it right here. Alright, and here it is. Now to set this up, simply scratch it and set it anywhere you want. And I just simply set it here. Alright. Now by default here you see the text is TechSmith, Camtasia and Camtasia. To change this text, simply click on this little plus icon to open the group. And now here you see three different elements of these lower thirds. Now this time I select the first one and double click on this, and this text block is now editable. This time I type number 1 YouTube channel. Alright. Now I select the second track of this lower third and edit this text, and this time I type teaching man's fashion. Alright. Now for the last one, I just simply type style and fitness. Alright, we are almost done. Let's play this clip now.
In case it hasn't sunk in already, I care for you guys. I really do. And I don't want you messing up with your skin or how you overall look. So today, I'm gonna go over the top 6 mistakes.
Super cool, right? So in this way, you can easily add lower thirds in your any video clip. Thank you so much for watching.